Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, very colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together. Today, we are looking at the ever so gorgeous last year's Unearthly mystery box. I finally got around to playing with it. It's been sitting here for a little bit. Yeah. It is absolutely gorgeous. It looks like this, the palette does. I ended up creating this stunning pretty much pride look right here. As always, all the products that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below, as always. So if you want to hear my ramblings, my thoughts on this palette, all that good stuff, you want to see how I created this gorgeous look right here, then let's get into it. We have Fresca today. Grapefruit citrus. Wonderful. I love it. We're finally playing with something that I've had sitting on my shelf for a hot goddamn minute, okay? It's been sitting down here collecting dust. It's been in my collection for, I think, 2 to 3 weeks. And we're finally gonna play with it. And that is the Unearthly Cosmetics Last Summer Mystery Box. It looks like this. I was gonna do swatches, I was gonna do all that, but those are already out there. This was last year's. If there's one this summer, I will do it, and then I'll get swatches, all that stuff. But it's been out for a minute. We ain't gonna bore you. I'm so excited, so let's get into this. Also, if you can hear some noise outside, it is the audacity of men. Just kidding, they're working, but still. My filming's more important, asshole. Okay, I was gonna do a little, let's go sit it on my white blanket. We'll do a little look over, but really, honestly, this is the color story. This is what it looks like. It is stunning. So that is the palette. This came with the palette, the little highlighter duo, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then it came with 3 lip products. We have a satin liquid lipstick and 2 lip glosses, which I actually haven't opened. I have every other thing opened except for these. And I love to keep the Unearthly mystery boxes, like the whole thing. I like to keep the box, and then I keep the box in the box. I think I need to get a shelf, and then I'm gonna put them up, not here, but there's a wall right there, and I think that's where I'm going to put them. Hopefully, no, we'll put them right here, and we'll put more books over there because I have an addiction. Okay, these are just so stunning. I'm loving this one. This one is psyched. I'm so excited for that. I will say that I do like the packaging. This is from their Charmer, their mystery box from this year for Valentine's Day. I do like their new lip packaging more than the Snow Globe. The Snow Globe is absolutely cute though, but I really like the shape and look of the new ones. I'm gonna prime my eyes, so I'm going to use the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to N, and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. I use this every time. They are my trusty go-tos. Yeah. Just an FYI, I do have another palette down here and a whole bunch of REM Beauty stuff that I need to film videos for. I have a collab coming up and a Bath and Body haul, so. And then a Mishmash Monday as per usual, so. Y'all be gonna see me a lot. And we got some good things coming up. So if you're new here, stay tuned. Subscribe. We like you. We won't scare you off. I promise. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do something like almost linerish. I don't really know, but I think I'm going to start with that Blast shade right there, that blue one. I'm going to take that on my Refer 29. It looks like this, a little linerish type brush. Hopefully freehand. Yep, that'll work. That'll work. This side isn't as good, but you know, it is what it is. But I'm just dipping it back in and going over it again. Again, that's stunning. Like, my God. Okay, I think, honestly, I'm going to... Because I kind of want to go like that. Yeah, I like the shape of that. So just taking it from the corner of the eye. And I kind of wanted to do it rainbowy, but now I realize that I can't because I wanted to start with purple, but it is what it is. We're going to go in with Stellar now on that same brush. And just going right next to it. Oof, yes. I think only going about that far, maybe? Leaving just the tail end there without it. I think that, yeah. I think I'm going to have to go back out with that blue, though. Now I'm going to go in with that Far Out shade. We're going to keep doing this until we get to Groovy. And because there is no red and I don't want to use that, I think we'll go in with one of those two shimmers in here. And we'll maybe put like the purple and that Out of Sight shade in down here. But yeah, going in with that Far Out shade, again, still on that Rephr 29 after I've cleaned it off a little bit. If you can hear some freaking chirping, that is an angry, angry, angry squirrel. My God. And Bob's just sunbathing in the window. We're just taking it here and just doing what we've been doing. I do think I'm going to go in with the Radical shade right there. And again, I don't feel like I got to keep mentioning what brush I'm using, but I'm going to go out here. Because I do want to put the purple there. It looks like shit, but you know, it is what it is. Now we're going to go in with Groovy. I think this might honestly be the last one that I do for this. I do think that I'm going to leave it like this. I think I'll probably put like those three down here, and then we will use maybe a mix of those two in here. So I'm going to go do my face. We'll come back for under eye, highlight, blush, lip, all that good stuff. So hold your horses. I will be right back. Okay, so I just wanted to take a quick second, it's not gonna be a quick second because I am me, and I just wanted to say that to anybody in the LGBTQIA plus community, that you are absolutely and utterly welcome here. You're absolutely loved and adored here. I will not let any bullshit be said to you. This is a safe space. It always has been, always will be. Bigotry is not allowed here. I make that known at the end of every single one of my videos, but I know that this is a very hard month. As much as it is a celebratory month, assholes who are just homophobic and transphobic and every single thing like to be even more assholey than they are year-round. They like to bitch and complain about how there's not a military month, despite May literally being military month, because you think if somebody gave enough shits about something, they know what, you know, they care. But they don't. They are just horrible people with an agenda of hatred and bullshit, and it is not fair to you. It is not fair to just be targeted like that, especially when you are just living your life and being exactly who you are. That is what everybody in this world strives to, or should be striving to do, is being the truest to themselves. And I know that people in that spectrum of being, whether it be gender fluid or just being yourself through being gay, being in the LGBTQ rainbow bracket, all that stuff, you guys are just, you're some of the best people that exist, because you guys just face the absolute brunt of so much shit, and you just handle it with absolute grace. As fucking, as difficult as it is, as bullshit as it is, you guys deserve the absolute world, and I am so incredibly sorry that this world and its bullshit, mother effing ugly balding men have such a horrible stick up their butt that they cannot accept you, that they cannot accept you loving yourself and knowing everything. Just a reminder that drag queens are not harassing your children. They can read books to them, and they just are it's literally just like having princesses at a party, except these ones are cooler. Okay? They're cooler. Drag queens are not out to hurt your kids. Neither are gay people. Look into the statistics, okay? Okay, my rant is done, but I just want to say that this is a safe space. You're welcome here, unless you're a piece of shit. Okay, I'm gonna be back. Okay, we are back. We're beat. We're hot. Let's go. So, I want to do blush first, just cause. So I'm really stuck between the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette here or the Unearthly Surrender Glowing Blush palette. I don't necessarily think any of these would go with it. I mean, maybe that would, but I'm honestly really feeling like that from the Juicy Cheeks Blend Bunny one. So I think that is what we are going to go with. That shade is Squeeze. It's that orange one. I kind of don't want to do an under eye, but like I don't know for sure. I think just because there is so much going on up here, I probably won't. But I think I'm going to go in with that Fox shade right there in here. Again, I'm like really wanting to put that chill shade down here. But we're gonna start with the inner corner, just get that done. You know, go from there. I'm going to start with my Refer 23, again going in with that Fox shade. Just right in here. I'm going to go in with the Refer 03 though, just a tad bit bigger brush. Swirl it around a little. Like, I think that's super gorgeous. Again, I'm really wanting to put something down here, but I feel like it might ruin things. So maybe if I put a little bit of mascara, it'll like calm my tits about it. So for under eye mascara, I'm going in with the Maybelline Sky High one in waterproof. Okay, my titties are calm. We're fine. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're fine. I'm thinking, because we have to go into the little highlighter duo here. Maybe we'll do a mix of both. So I'm gonna start with Slick here. Just taking out my brush. And just, ooh, she's pretty. We'll go in with a little bit of In Your Dreams here too. Just plop it up a little bit higher. Just like right here. Ooh, she glowing. She pretty. I really like that. So we're going to go in with that Slick shade. We're going to put it all over the nose. We're going to put it up here. Everywhere I want to be covered in it. I really want to do a neutral lip with this look, but I don't think that that's going to work. So we still have to use these. I don't know what they look like. That's a gloss. Holy shit balls. That is spaz. That is stunning. Oh my god. Okay. Oof. Yas, bitch. That is Psych, holy moly. And then this is the satin lipstick in Gnarly. That is that. That's, yeah, that's pretty. So even though I want a neutral lip, we're not going to go in with it because this is probably as neutral as we get. So we're going in with that Gnarly satin lipstick here. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a stunning freaking lip color. My God. Okay, I think we'll go over it with this. Even though, yeah, I don't know. We'll start with the orange one, just Psych. That smells wonderful. I like that. That's pretty. Oh my God. I like it. I mean, I might end up changing the lip a little bit later on, but for like the sake of the video, I really like it. Because I think a neutral lip would look better, but again, for the sake of the video, we're doing it. This is so freaking goddamn stunning. This is gorgeous. This is so pretty. This palette is so good too. I mean, I know I didn't really step into the shimmers, but what you guys don't know is that I've tried like 4 looks before this because nothing was like tickling my fancy. All amazing looks, by the way, but nothing was just tickling it and making me feel good about it. But so essentially I've used every shade, not on camera, but I absolutely love this so far. This is so pretty. It's so good. As always, Unearthly just, you know, hits it out of the park. They're one of the best companies that we have around right now, and this is so good. I'm hoping that they come out with another summer one. I know that I think they're like bringing out one from before. I know they have a couple things going on, so I'm just hoping that sometime soon they have another mystery box because they're just so freaking amazing. If you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. Yeah, I understand you don't like it. I understand you don't understand it, but that's something that you need to take a step back and reflect on and to do better on. It is 2024. Like I said before, do better. Pull the stick out of your butt. Come on. Okay. And remember to be taking care of yourself, to be getting enough water, enough food, to be taking those self-care days and not being such a people pleaser. There's, you know, you matter too. You need to remember to do things for you. Again, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.